Right, we come up from here and we had a little walk right round that lake. Some good camping spots like. I couldn't go camping now at my chest. Oh, fuck that, the cold on my back. Kill me. Yeah, some belt little camping spots all around there. So we went up looking for these 10 poles and that, and they were found. So I've just messaged them now. So yeah, I just made a little day out of it and done to the fan. I know I've done it loads of times, like, but why not, you're here. It's too early, like, time I finished. I was only out an hour. The sun was out, so I thought, you know what, Bristly or to the fan, and I ended up doing to the fan. Oh. Got a few mountains lined up, different ones. Just waiting for the right conditions, and getting up at 3 bells in the morning's killing me, so we need to find a weekday to do it. Because there's hardly any cars in the spaces, parking spaces through the week. So I've got a few big ones planned, but you'll have to bear with me because I'm going to have to pick a day through the week. So I don't have to get up at fucking daft hours. Anyway, it's a fan. The gliders, Penny Owen, Waiganigan, however you pronounce it. And that's me done for today, so next time I'll probably on a new one, so see you on the next.